Hi, I'm Kelsey Zeiser. I'm a senior editor at Light Reading, and we're here at the Big 5G event in Denver. I'm joined by Jennifer Artley with Verizon. It's good to see you.
Nice to see you as well.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. You gave a really great keynote this morning, which we'll get to momentarily, but tell us a little bit about your role at Verizon, because I know it's new, and congratulations on that.
Thank you. Yes, I'm running business development and strategic initiatives for Verizon Business with a real heavy emphasis on global enterprise, but also public sector.
Excellent. And tell us a little bit about what Verizon is doing in terms of supporting manufacturing applications with 5G. What are you excited about there?
Oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless. There's so much to do. So we actually are working with a pretty big ecosystem of partners, ranging from technology partners to systems integrators, to make sure that we can really come together with the right solutions for the application and the use case that any given manufacturing company or retail or healthcare really want to do with 5G. And it's bringing together the technical components, but also making sure that it's wrapped around the outcomes that our customers are trying to achieve, which is complex. And what's interesting is that partners play different roles. So, working with a systems integrator, sometimes we are leading the solution, sometimes they're leading the solution, and there are many other application providers who also come into play.
Yeah, definitely. We could probably be here for quite a while and discuss all the different use cases there. Mm-hmm. And during your keynote, you kind of zeroed in on Verizon's work with, I believe it was the Southampton Port in the UK, which I think you said was is the largest port. Tell us a little bit about how they're using 5G to provide more connectivity throughout the port, and also to manage the, I suppose, input and output of all the different materials that are moving through that port.
Yes, it's actually a brilliant use case. We deployed a private 5G network for the Port of Southampton in the UK, the largest port. It's part of Associated British Ports. And initially, the use case that they first tested the 5G ecosystem on was drones. So sending drones up to inspect cranes after big storms, because health and safety is one of the most important things for the CIO of ABP. And as we were looking at the drones and the cranes, we then ventured to close some dark spots within the port. So the port couldn't actually be completely connected via Wi-Fi, so there were significant areas within the port that weren't able to be fully utilized. So obviously, a concern of any CEO is making sure you're maximizing productivity and maximizing throughput so that you can drive growth. And with a dark spot, it wasn't helpful. So we ended up deploying this private 5G network. We closed those dark spots completely in a more cost-effective way than it would have been to put fiber in place.
Yeah, that's really great, and I'm sure they've appreciated to have that better connectivity there. Do you have any other thoughts on how Verizon is improving the customer experience with 5G?
I think that the opportunity for customer experience with 5G is endless. It really starts with who our customers are and what they're trying to solve for their customers. So if you think about consumer packaged goods, for example, that consumer end experience is quite different than a business-to-business application. So we have a wide range of use cases, still bringing them to life at the moment, but we're really committed to improving customer experience overall, and it's definitely an area of focus.
Great. Well, I appreciate your time today. It's been great to meet with you in person.
Likewise. Thank you for having me.
Thanks.